let's take a look at number 10 on homework 18. This one poses a few interesting issues, but we'll just address them as we get to them. This isn't that much more challenging than any of the other ones. We have a function that doesn't look like something we know how to take an integral of, but we could rewrite it, hopefully, noticing that this is a function to the first power in the denominator. What if we rewrote that as 1 over u du? Or alternately, you guys have also seen this as the integral of u to the negative 1 du. That's also the same exact thing. Either way, the integral technically is the natural log of the absolute value of u. We've done this integral before. So let's see if we can actually write this function as u to the negative 1 du. Let's see. So we need our u. Our u is just what was in the parentheses at the bottom. So that's 4 plus e to the 9x. If we take the derivative of that with respect to x, we get 9 times e to the 9x. The 4 went away, and this is the derivative of e to the 9x is 9e to the 9x. If you don't remember why, go back over your differentiation rules. That's important to know. And then du equals 9e to the 9x dx. Okay, did we get rid of everything in our original function? Let's see. We have our u to the negative 1. That's this here. Our du is, well, we've got an e to the 9x. That's taken care of. A dx, that's taken care of. But we have 9 times that. So that's too much. We've got 9 times as many of these guys as we need. So that's 9 times as many du's as we need. So it means we need to multiply this whole integral by 1/9. Because we had 9 times too much, we need to take 1/9 of it. Remember that whenever you have something extra here in your du, that's just going to go out into the denominator of a fraction in front of your integral. Okay, so now let's take this integral. We have 1/9 times, well, the integral of u to the negative 1 du is going to be the natural log of the absolute value of 4 plus e to the 9x. Oops, I don't want a d, I want a plus c, sorry. Okay, but here's the thing. We don't even need these absolute value signs because 4 plus e to the 9x is always positive. That's never negative, so we can just rewrite this again one more time. I need to put some equal signs in here. Equals 1/9 times the natural log of 4 plus e to the 9x plus c. This is the part that you enter into WebAssign, and then you will have a correct answer. Okay, so go over this again one more time. We have a function that we can't really integrate using the rules that we know so far, but if we could rewrite it as the integral of 1 over u du, or alternately, you know, the exact same thing, the integral of u to the negative 1 du, we know what that integral is. So let's go ahead and see if we can do that. We've got u is our stuff that's in the parentheses in the denominator, so we write that here, take the derivative, bring over the dx. That leaves us with 9 times as much stuff as we actually needed to cancel, so we need to multiply by 1/9. We take that integral, and the integral of u to the negative 1 du is the natural log of the absolute value of u. But it turns out that in this case, this is always positive, so we don't need the absolute value signs. That means we have 1/9 times the natural log of 4 plus e to the 9x plus c. Plus c is already given to you by WebAssign, so this is what you need to enter in.